check your phone more than 50 times a day. You open apps, you watch videos, you scroll social media, you use Wi-Fi, you update software. But when someone asks you in English, "What happened to your phone? Why is your internet slow? Why didn't you reply to my message?" Suddenly, your brain stops. Words disappear, confidence drops.
And the only sentence that comes out is, "My phone problem."
If this has ever happened to you, today's episode will completely change how you talk about technology in English.
Because today, we are learning real technology English. Simple words, daily sentences, zero confusion.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Ease, where learning English is easy, natural, and practical. I'm Sarah, your English teacher.
And I'm Alvin. And honestly, technology English used to confuse me a lot.
You're not alone. Millions of English learners use technology every day, but they cannot explain simple tech problems in English.
Big vocabulary scares people.
But here's the truth. You don't need big words. You need clear, everyday phrases. Let's start with the most common device in your life, your phone. Alvin, what do you usually say when your phone is slow?
I say, "My phone is very slow."
Good, but let's upgrade it slightly. You can say, "My phone is running slow." "My phone is lagging." "My phone keeps freezing." These sound natural and confident.
What if the screen stops responding?
You can say, "My screen is stuck." "My phone froze." "It's not responding." Short sentences, strong meaning. Now, apps, the heart of smartphones. When an app doesn't open, instead of saying, "App not open," say, "The app won't open." "The app keeps crashing." "The app is stuck on loading."
Won't open feels very real.
Exactly. And updates are another daily issue. You can say, "I need to update the app." The app needs an update. After the update, it stopped working. Let's talk about the most common frustration in the world: slow internet.
Yes, everyone complains about it.
Instead of "internet slow," say, "My internet connection is slow." "The Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting." "The signal is weak." "The internet went down."
Went down sounds like native English.
Because it is. Phrasal verbs make you sound fluent without effort. Social media is part of daily life now. You need simple expressions for it. You can say, "I was scrolling Instagram." "I saw this video on TikTok." "I liked the post." "I shared the reel." "I left a comment."
And notifications?
Very useful sentences. "I got a notification." "My phone keeps buzzing." "I turned off notifications." Now something stressful. Passwords.
I forget them all the time.
Then remember these sentences. "I forgot my password." "My account is locked." "I need to reset my password." "I logged out by mistake." These are extremely common in real conversations. Social media is not only fun, it's also about safety. You can say, "I'm worried about my privacy." "This website looks unsafe." "I don't trust this link." "My account was hacked."
Hacked is a strong word.
Yes, but very important in modern English.
Everyone is talking about AI these days.
And you don't need complex vocabulary. Simple sentences work perfectly. AI helps people work faster. I use AI for learning. AI is changing many jobs. I'm curious about new technology. Let's put everything together. Alvin, tell me about a tech problem you had recently.
Yesterday, my phone was running slow. The Wi-Fi kept disconnecting. Then my app crashed after an update. I got frustrated and restarted my phone.
That was excellent English. Clear, natural, real. Now it's your turn, listeners. Pause for a moment and answer this in English. What technology problem do you have these days? One sentence is enough.
Practice builds confidence. Confidence builds fluency.
Remember, technology English is not difficult. It only feels difficult when you try to sound perfect.
Simple words, clear voice, daily practice.
Speak about what you use every day: your phone, your apps, your internet.
And if this episode helped you, subscribe, like, and share English with Ease with someone who struggles to speak English confidently.
Technology changes every year, but your confidence in English can grow every day.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.